This thing right here costs around $8, and I didn't make it, I don't sell it, and I've never even met the company that owns it. But somebody somewhere posted one video holding this exact kind of product up to the camera and made over $1,000 before they went to bed that night. Now that's not a typo, it's not an exaggeration, and this isn't some get rich quick nonsense. It's called TikTok Shop Affiliate. And in 2026, it might honestly be the easiest way for a complete beginner to make their first dollar online. No followers required, no inventory, no website, just you and your phone. Now I'm gonna walk you through this like you've never touched TikTok Shop before. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your account and find products worth promoting, film a video that actually converts, and avoid the dumb mistakes that get beginners' accounts banned. Stick around because around halfway through this video, I'm gonna show you the exact tool that I use to cut my product research time from hours into minutes. So without further ado, let's dive right into things. So first, for anyone who's never heard of this term, TikTok Shop Affiliate is basically a built-in commission program inside of the TikTok app. Brands list their products on TikTok Shop and creators like you make videos featuring those products. Now, every time someone watches your video, taps the little shopping bag at the bottom and buys, you get a cut. That's really it. Now, this is wildly different from being an influencer. Influencers spend years building a personal brand and have a huge following before brands will even talk to them. With TikTok Shop Affiliate, your follower account barely matters. What matters is you can make a video that gets people to stop scrolling and tap that buy button. That's the skill here. And it's one that anybody can learn, including somebody with zero experience and a few hundred followers. Now on TikTok Shop, there are two ways to get paid. Number one is commission only, meaning you pick a product, make a video, and if it sells, you earn a percentage of that sale. No relationship with the brand needed. You literally buy the product, film yourself using it, and link the same product on TikTok Shop. And then number two is retainer deals. Once you've gotten some tractions, brands will then pay you a flat fee, say $300 to $500 for a batch of videos on top of commission. That's how creators stack consistent income instead of relying on just going viral on a single video. Now, before you get too excited, this is a real business. Some people post one video and make $5,000. Some post 50 videos before anything takes off. People who win are the ones who keep showing up. Let's get your account actually set up. So here's what you actually need. You need to be 18 years or older, and currently this is rolled out for the US and a handful of other countries too, but US is really the main one. Now as for followers, as of 2026, you can apply for the affiliate program with as few as 1,000 followers. You'll unlock more products, access, and bigger brands once you hit that 5,000 mark, but you don't need to wait around for tens of thousands of followers to really start making money. So if you're starting from zero, here's the move. Pick one singular niche, something like kitchen gadgets, skincare, pet stuff, whatever you'd actually be excited to talk about. And then post 1 to 3 short videos every single day. Now, these videos don't have to be polished. They don't even need to be about a product yet. Just get TikTok's algorithm familiar with your account and get to that 1,000 follower mark. Most people that I've seen do this hit it within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent posting. Now, once you're there, go to your TikTok profile settings, find the TikTok shop, and apply. It's free and takes TikTok a day or two to approve you. Now, while you're waiting on approval, and honestly, even after, this is a part where almost everybody gets stuck. So let's fix that. Okay, this is a part most beginners overcomplicate. Product research sounds super intimidating, but really, you're just acting like a shopper. Open the TikTok Shop tab, scroll like you're browsing for yourself, click into videos that catch your eye. For every product, you're checking 4 different things. Number one, how recent is it? Tap into the product page, check when that video is posted. You want stuff that's blowing up this week or this month, not something that went viral 8 months ago, because the wave is probably over for that product. Number two, traction. How many likes, comments, and sold counts does it have? If a video has a few hundred likes, the product page shows a couple thousand units sold already, that's a sign people are actively buying right now, not last year. Number three, commission. This is literally how much money you make per sale. As a beginner, I try to find products paying at least $2 to $3 per sale, ideally 15% or higher. A $20 product paying you 20%, that's only $4 a sale. 100 of those, and that's $400 for one video. Now, number 4, inventory. Scroll to the product details, check the stock count. It says 16,000 in stock, great. Now that's a brand that can handle your video going viral. It says 40 in stock, skip it. You don't want to put in the work, get views, and have the product sell out before anybody can actually buy. One more tip, think about what's already trending in real life. Right now, in the summer, it's summer stuff like sunscreen, swimwear, travel gadgets, dorm room stuff for kids heading to college in the fall. Search those terms up directly in TikTok Shop and run them through the same 4 checks. Here's the honest part though. Doing this manually, scrolling through hundreds of videos at a time, trying to spot patterns, it honestly just takes forever. And it's really easy to miss a product that's about to explode because you close the app 5 minutes too early. Now, this is the exact problem that this secret tool ShopShark was built to solve. And it's what I personally use now instead of doom scrolling the shop tab for an hour every single morning. ShopShark is an analytics tool built specifically for TikTok Shop. It scans through millions of videos and products every single day and surfaces the ones that are actually making money for creators, ranked by real revenue data. So instead of guessing whether a product has good traction, it shows you the actual estimated sales, commission percentage, and how fast that revenue is growing week over week for every single product. Now, here's what it looks like actually inside. You got 4 main tabs: videos, products, lives, and creators. So no matter how you like to do research, there's a starting point for you. Say you're in the videos tab, you can filter by category, commission rate, video revenue, and total commission value. Or just search for a specific product or creator that you've already seen blowing up. But here's really the part that I use consistently. Under published on, you can filter all the way down to today and sort everything by video GMV and instantly see which videos posted in the last few hours are already pulling in real money. Now that's the difference between catching a trend on day 1 versus day 30. And after every single other affiliate has already beat you. Instead of spending an hour scrolling and taking a guess on a product, you open ShopShark, filter for products with strong commissions and growing revenue, click on a couple of trending videos for inspiration, and you've got your next product picked out in around 5 minutes. Now, ShopShark has a free trial. I'll leave the link down in the description below if you want to try it out. No pressure, but it's genuinely the shortcut I wish existed when I was first figuring this out. Now, let's dive into actually how to make the videos. Every single video that sells follows the same basic structure. 3 parts: the hook, the demo, and the call to action. So let's break down each one of those. Now, the hook, you can think of this as the first 3 seconds of your video. This is absolutely everything. If people don't stop scrolling in the first 3 seconds, nothing else matters. They'll never even see the product at the very end. Now, there are 3 ways to hook somebody into your video. You could do it verbally. You could say something that creates curiosity. Okay, I was today years old when I found out you are not supposed to wash your pillows like this. With some text on the screen, something like, wait, this actually works, ? Right at the top of the video. Or you could do it visually. Show something slightly confusing or dramatic before you explain it, like a messy stovetop covered in grease, for an example. Makes you want to see the after, something that makes people see the after. You want at least 2 of these or 3 of these working together. So after the hook, you have the demo, aka the middle of your video. This is where you actually show the product doing its thing. If it's a cleaning product, show the before and after. If it's clothing, try it on and show how it fits, walk around in it. And if it's a gadget, use it the way a normal person would. The golden rule here is to be honest. Doesn't get out 100% of the stains, say that. Viewers trust creators who don't oversell, and weirdly, that honestly makes people buy more, not less. You really want to come off as authentic and give your real opinion on the product. Finally, you have the call to action, which is the last 5 seconds of your video. Keep this short and chill. You're not doing a hard sell. You're just reminding the people that the link exists. Something like, if you want to grab this, I'll drop the link right here. They're selling out pretty quick. That's literally it. 1 sentence. Don't stack 5 reasons to buy at the end of your video. It just sounds desperate and makes people scroll away. And that's genuinely the whole formula. Hook, demo, CTA, every viral TikTok Shop video you've seen in some way has these 3 parts. Now, when it comes to editing your videos, good news. You don't need any fancy software. The TikTok app's built-in editor is genuinely enough to start. Step number 1, film your hook, demo, and CTA as one or several short clips. Don't worry about messing it up. If you stutter, just pause and start the sentence again. You'll cut it later on down the line. Step 2. This is the most important editing tip that I can give you. Cut every single gap where you're not talking. Tap into the editor, find the clip, and if there's any dead air, you pause it. You pause, you're setting something up, whatever, split the clip and delete it. Watch it back, and if there's still a gap, cut even more. Your video should feel like it never stops moving. Now, step 3, add text hook for the first couple of seconds. Something that grabs the attention, positioned near the top of the screen so it doesn't get covered by any of the buttons on the side of the screen. Then turn on auto captions so people can watch with the sound off, because a lot of people scroll TikTok on mute. Now, the last step is write a simple caption describing your video, price, and add 3 general hashtags. Things like TikTok shop and TikTok made me buy it. Plus 3 specific to your product. Attach a product link using the add link button and pick a clear cover image. And just hit post. The whole process takes most people under 15 minutes. And once you've done it a couple times, it'll just be like clockwork. Now, if you're ever stuck on what to film, here are 4 formats that consistently work. Faceless video, just film the product, no face needed. Now, this is great if you're camera shy. Talking head, you on camera, demoing and talking through the product. It builds trust really fast. Then you could do skits, a quick, funny scenario built around the product. Even a solo skit where you play 2 characters works well. You could do comment reply. When somebody comments a question on one of your videos, like, does this run small? Make a quick video replying directly to them. These convert very well because the audience is already curious about these certain questions. Now, mix these up. Don't get stuck on just doing one style. Try and do everything and find what works best for your product. Now, super quick but important, TikTok Shop has a violation system, and getting banned can mean losing money when you haven't withdrawn it yet. 3 rules that trip up beginners consistently. Number 1, don't compare brands by name. You can't say this is basically a Yeti but cheaper. But you can say there's a popular $100 version of this, but this one is $20 without naming the actual brand. People will get the idea. Now, number 2, you have to physically have the product when you film. Don't make videos about products that you don't own. That's an easy violation. 3, be careful with claims, especially for supplements or skincare. Don't say, this cured my acne, or this product changed my life. Talk about what's true and visible. Price, deal, what you noticed, and let the product speak for itself. Now, if you ever do get a violation notice, do not repost the same video or a very similar video. Just move on. Repeating the same mistake over and over again is how your account actually gets banned. Now, here's actually how to scale this. And this is the part most tutorial videos skip. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing a number. I need to make $1,000 this month, instead of focusing on actions that they can control. Set a goal, like I'm gonna post 1 video a day for the next 30 days. And do product research for 15 minutes every single morning. That's it. If you do that consistently, results will follow. Sometimes slower, sometimes faster, but they will eventually come. And when a video does start working, don't immediately move on. Recreate it. Same product, slightly different hook, different demo angle. Post a few variations. A lot of creators find one winning product and milk it for 10 to 15 videos before it starts to die out. And that one product can carry an entire month. So that's genuinely everything that you need to get started. What TikTok Shop Affiliate is, how to set up your account, how to find products using the 4-metric method, the hook demo CTA formula, and how to edit right in the app, and how to avoid getting banned. If you want to skip the hours of manual scrolling I talked about earlier, go try ShopShark. Link is in the description, and it's free to start. Either way, the only thing that actually matters now is posting your very first video. Not researching for another week, not watching 5 more guides, 1 video today. That's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.